Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about how you can set your own SMART goals, and I'll give you some real examples. First, start with an initial list. So do a little brainstorm. Now, once you have your list, go through them and filter out the ones that are not a priority. Narrow it down to about 5 goals. Make sure that the goals are written down because the act of writing it down will keep you motivated. Make sure that the goals are important to you and it is something that are prioritized in your life. So now that you have your list, you can go through them and kind of expand upon each one of them and apply the SMART acronym to it. Make sure to always review your list as well. Goals will actually change throughout your life. Let's start with career. Okay, so specific. I want to be a senior manager. Measurable. How do we measure that? Each month, I'm going to submit a report that will outline the skills that I've acquired and the things that I've done and achieved in that month and present it to my manager. Achievable. My boss is aware of this and he knows that I have the ability to gain this position. Realistic. My manager will understand that I am serious about this and he will see how I've improved each month based on those reports. And time. I will complete this within the next 12 months. So this is a much better goal. We can see that in the span of a year, this person wants to achieve the position of a senior manager. He's going to acquire all sorts of skills. He's going to present these skills and smaller short-term goals that he's achieved to his manager who will help him achieve this goal. And that was a detailed example of how to set a SMART goal. Let's do a really quick one based on school. What is a good SMART goal for a student? I want to graduate. No, that's not a good goal at all. There's nothing about it. It doesn't tell you any time limit. It doesn't tell you how you're going to do it. It doesn't say anything specific about that goal. I will apply to 4 colleges by the end of December. So it is specific, it is measurable, it is achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So even though it's short, it still satisfies all of the criteria. So your goal does not have to be complicated. It does not have to be a whole paragraph. It can be short and concise and still be a good goal. Let's do one more for exercise and fitness. I will lose 5 pounds by the end of the month. And I will do this by jumping rope every day for 15 minutes. I will also do a half-hour walk after dinner every day. I'm specific, it's measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So I've given myself that deadline. I know it is relevant to what I believe in because I like exercise and fitness and I like to be healthy. So that's a detailed SMART goal for fitness and exercise. So let me challenge you. Can you leave me a SMART goal down below? I want to know what you guys are thinking about. I want to know what you feel that you should do in the next, few weeks or months and what goal you are trying to achieve. That's all I have for today. If you haven't checked out my previous video on SMART goals and the acronym, then check it out. Also make sure to subscribe and set your notifications because in my next video, I will tell you what not to do in order to set up effective SMART goals. So see you next time. Thanks for joining. Bye.